new pickup. So I thought I'd do a quick walk around. Take a look. What year is it, Clay?
65.
1965. Oh man, that's cool. That's a digital dash then?
Yeah, you can turn the key on if you want.
That is cool. It said it's got a 350 350 engine.
Yep.
Must have been built in the 90s. Looking at these wheels, huh?
I think it was.
Yeah. Let you pop the hood there. I love that color. That is cool. Oh yeah. AC. All chromed out. That's cool.
Power
Do you-
brakes,
Yeah.
power steering.
Edelbrock carburetor on there. Yeah. You know, does it have a cam and things like that in it? Just
I think it has a Edelbrock kit
okay.
that they came with a light cam
Yeah.
and valve covers and
Sure. Yep.
intake.
The
and
whole top end.
Yeah.
Yeah.
I think it was a kit.
That is cool, man. Huh. I like that. I didn't look that. Yeah, the AC is under the dash. Kind of an aftermarket deal.
Yeah, it's
Yeah.
for street rods.
Yeah. That is cool. A nice job.
My daily driver.
Yeah. Love it. What's under the back end here? Like a Chevy 10 bolt?
I'm not sure what
Like that?
is.
Yeah.
Is that what that looks like?
I think so. Yeah. I could look closer. Yeah. Fuel in the bed there. Did a nice job with that wood kit. I like it. Yeah. Very sharp. How's it sound? Can we hear it?
Oh, that exhaust, I get that leak, but otherwise.
Oh, okay. We'll stay back here then. We won't listen to the leak up front. That is cool. I like it. Well, congratulations. Oh, it even has cruise control?
Yep.
Look at that. Every time I come up here, I see something new. Yeah. Well, awesome.
Just gotta put a backup camera on it yet.
Oh, okay. I love it. Well, thanks for letting me take a look.